Hello everyone, welcome to my first video of the year. In this video, we are going to see the basics of the Go programming language and execute a basic Hello World program. Let's get started. What is Go? Go is a statically typed and compiled programming language. It was developed at Google and being used in many production applications by Google. Now Docker, Kubernetes and Terraform are some examples of applications developed using Go. Let's see the features available in Go. As we saw earlier, Go is a compiled language and it is strongly typed. Now languages like JavaScript and Python are dynamically typed, which means you can declare and initialize a variable without specifying its type. Go is not like that. For people who are confused by the word type, we are talking about a variable's data type such as integer or string. Go has concurrency built in by default and will be able to efficiently use multiple threads during execution. Garbage collection. Real-time applications need real-time garbage collection. The garbage collection process should never pause the program. Golang is one of the few runtimes with a real-time garbage collection. And most importantly, Go is loved for its simplicity, which has been meticulously taken care by the engineers at Google. Another bonus for using Go is it compiles faster than any other compiled language thus far. Now, there are already high-performant languages out there, so one may wonder why Google brought in a new language. There are reasons for that. Let us review in brief some of the existing languages: C++, Java, and Python. C++ has the benefits of high performance and type safety, but it was also slow to compile. The syntax of C++ is also complex. Java has the benefits of faster compilation and type safety, but it had an ever-evolving complex ecosystem which made housekeeping with Java a bit difficult for developers. Python, on the other hand, was easy to learn, but it lacked the type safety due to which programs make it harder to debug over time. Go was created by Google engineers to essentially remove such pain points and provide a robust language for their development needs. Having said that, let's see Go in action using a simple Hello World program. Now to install Go, you must first visit the official website golang.org and download the setup file. In my case, I have already downloaded and installed it in my Mac. Let me check that with the Go version command. You can see that Go version 1.15.5 is installed on my machine. Now let me head to my favorite IDE, Visual Studio Code. I have an empty folder here. I will create a file and save it as hello.go. Now we have to start the Go code with the package name. I am going to name my package as main. The name main will tell Go that this package needs to be compiled as an executable program. I will create a function in this package called main. The main function is the entry point of our executable program. Now to print a hello world string, I will need the help of a package called fmt. The FMT is short for format. The FMT package implements the functions for formatting input and output. We can basically use this package to format numbers and strings. Now I will import the FMT package using import FMT. I can now use a method from the FMT package called println to print my string. And that's it. To run my program, I will open the terminal and run the commands go space run space hello dot go, which is my file name. When I hit enter, you can see that the text hello world is printed. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching and follow my channel for more on Go and programming.